Hey fuckers, ArchieLuxury channel, and I got a bit of a leak in the compact urban Neolistics transmission studio. I've got a bit of a leak, and I'll just show you. You look at the back. I've got a towel there. It's leaking from the top. Bit of a leak in the studio. And it got me thinking. I just realized something. In Brisbane, Australia, I've got all my possessions, you know, my expensive wristwatches to stop the burglars. Stop the burglars. I've got them all in my Commonwealth Bank safety deposit box in the CBD. Now, we got flooding conditions happening. What happens if they fucking flood? Because it's in the basement of the Commonwealth Bank. It's in the basement. And, yeah, I've just realized all my stuff is in the fucking basement of the bank. And I better go tomorrow and see if I can get them out, hey? What do you reckon, fuckers? So this is what happens. It's a fucking nasty world we live in. It's nasty, nasty. What would I do? My stuff is in the Commonwealth Bank safe. Well, I've got my Explorer 2. Hopefully the seals are intact, and that'll be okay. I got a bit of jewelry there. You know, I got a bracelet, gold bracelet. Actually, it's got an emerald in it. I don't know if the emerald likes to be in horrible, yucky water. Diamond will be fine. I've got, what else do I have? I've got some now, this is where it gets tricky, fuckers, because my hard drives there, they won't really like being underwater. Watches that may not survive too well. I've got a few ladies' Rolexes. They'll be fine. Should be fine. I've got an Oyster Perpetual. I've got a Rolex Date. They should be fine, as long as the crowns are screwed in. Cartier 18K tank, ladies, mechanical. Did I put it in a plastic Ziploc bag? I can't remember. Can't remember, fuckers. Nope, it's in a Cartier pouch. Audemars Piguet two-tone, ladies, steel and gold with diamond bezel. Quartz, fucked. It'll be fucked. My Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso Grand Date. The alligator strap wouldn't really, the genuine Jaeger-LeCoultre alligator strap really wouldn't appreciate being in lactite water, I don't think. What about the most painful part? Is my Patek Philippe 5110 world time. How will it feel about being, it says it's 25 to 30 meters water resistance. I don't know if that means it would. What would you fucking do? What would you fucking do? You go to the bank and it's been submerged. What would you fucking do? I mean, you'd... As the fuckerhorn said, you know, in Bruce Williams' case, it was his own stupidity. But if this happened, would I get your sympathy? Would I get sympathy? Maybe the safe, the vault is watertight. It's got a big metal door. Let's hope it's got a rubber seal around it, hey? I don't know what to say really. It's fucking nasty. Nasty. What would you do? What would you fucking do? It's not your fault. It's just